Hello everyone. Doctor, we want to clean our ears, but we don't know how. We've heard a lot that cotton buds cause problems, that they can harm the ear and don't even clean it properly. So, what should we do? First, to understand, the ear canal is about 3 centimeters long, from where the canal starts at the opening of the ear all the way to the eardrum. These 3 centimeters aren't straight. They're not a straight line, not aligned with the opening we see from the outside. The ear canal is shaped like the letter S. We divide the ear canal into an outer third and an inner 2/3. The outer third is what produces the wax. The purpose of this is to prevent any microbes, dust, or insects from entering the ear. It also helps prevent any bacterial or fungal infections from occurring. As for the inner 2/3, the skin there doesn't produce any wax at all. Now, if the ear is healthy, the wax should form in the outer third. And as it forms with the movement of the jaw, swallowing, talking, and eating, this wax is naturally pushed out. Sometimes we feel wax coming out of our ear, and that's what's supposed to happen. Now, for people who have issues, or sometimes for no reason at all, wax production increases. If we try to clean the ear with a cotton bud, we face 2 problems. The first problem is that we push the wax further in. When we push it in, because we can't see, it goes into the inner 2/3 of the ear canal. That part doesn't move, and it's impossible for the wax to come out from there without being cleaned by a doctor. So, that outer third, the part we can easily reach with a cotton bud, if we insert the bud and push the wax further in, that's it. You'll have to get it cleaned by a doctor. So, what's the second issue? The second problem that can happen is that we can injure the ear canal. Since we can't see what we're doing, these cleaning attempts often cause infections in the ear canal, which then leads to pain. At that point, it's not just a blocked ear. No, it's also painful and infected. So, what should we do, doctor? It means you're not supposed to clean your ears. The ear cleans itself. After a shower, or if water gets in your ear, you can clean the outside with a tissue, or if you use a cotton bud, don't insert it. Don't push the cotton bud inside. You should only use it to dry the outer parts. Don't try to get any wax out from the inside because you won't be able to do it right. You'll just make the problem worse. You'll end up needing an ear wash if you use it, or you'll cause an infection that needs treatment, which is a big problem. I wish you all the best of health. If you like these videos, please give them a like and subscribe to the channel so we know you're waiting for more new videos from us. And again, I wish you the best of health.